What if I told you you could earn crypto with your old cell phones as well as your daily driver? Let me explain. So how can you earn crypto with your cell phone? Well, there's a crypto project called Acurast, and Acurast is a massive decentralized AI compute platform. Think of like a massive data center, but Acurast is a decentralized worldwide global platform that's powered by cell phones. And I know what you're thinking. That's probably this small little rinky-dink project. Well, Acurast has 168,000 phones already onboarded with over 350,000 compute jobs completed in just testnet. That's pretty badass. All right, so how exactly does this work? Is the onboarding process crazy complicated? Well, the answer is actually no. Acurast has two ways to onboard your cell phone that they call providers or processors. The first way is for your everyday driver. Mine's the iPhone 17 Pro, and it's actually an app that sits directly on the phone itself called Acurast Lite. And the nice thing is Acurast Lite is actually supported on iPhone as well as Android. So you can go over and find it on the Apple Store as well as the Android Play Store. The nice thing is if you're curious, you got a drawer full of old cell phones that you want to kind of look them up to see if they're compatible ahead of time, Acurast actually has a full compatibility list with over 1,300 models that I'll list directly down below. So the second method is called Acurast Core, and it's actually the best method for those old cell phones that you have no need for. So instead of throwing them in a drawer, or if you're like me and you have one like this guy right here that actually has a cracked screen, the nice thing is you don't have to throw it away or recycle it or throw it in that dusty drawer. You can actually put it to work. It actually takes over the entire phone's operating system dedicated to Acurast. It's actually the best and most reliable and dedicated method. And the nice thing is you onboard it very simply with just the scan of a QR code. Sorry to interrupt your video, guys, but wanted to give you guys a heads up that I launched a podcast. Yes, a podcast. It is called the Everyday Miner Podcast. You can find it on every major podcast platform out there. We actually just hit 70 episodes total over there. So please go over and check it out. You're going to find a variety of different content. You're going to find some old stuff from like 5 years ago that's still valuable. You're going to find some new stuff. You're going to find some of my long form content out there, but it's great for on the go, at the gym, your commute, or while you're at work when you went your crypto mining focus. Guys, go over and check it out on any major platform. It's called the Everyday Miner Podcast. I'll leave a link directly down below. All right, so how much can you make doing this? Running your own mining farm at home with phones? Well, Acurast is actually in testnet right now. So your current accumulations will actually be on their testnet token. So I really don't know what that profitability is going to look like. However, by the time that you watch this video, they actually will be live on Mainnet. Acurast just announced their move to Mainnet on January 20th, with their first major exchange actually being Binance. I've had one dedicated Samsung S21 on Acurast Core since April, so 10 months, and earned roughly 16,000 of their CACU testnet tokens. All right, so let's walk through that onboarding process. I've made it down to just a few simple steps. First thing you're going to do is go over to MetaMask's website, and you're going to install the MetaMask Chrome extension, which natively supports Acurast. I'll leave a link to that directly down below. Then you're going to go over and create an account on Acurast's website, which actually is tied to that MetaMask wallet that you just went ahead and set up. I'll put a link directly down below to make everything easier to follow these links a lot faster. So you simply go ahead and click right there where it says, I'm not a robot, and you select Join the Cloud Rebellion. Your MetaMask is most likely going to pop up. That's not a big deal. Go ahead and click confirm because everything you do is within the Acurast ecosystem. Once you do that, you're going to be right into the Acurast Hub dashboard. From here, at the very top, there's a green button that says Manage Phones. Click on it. You're then going to click Add. MetaMask is going to pop up. Once again, we're in that Acurast ecosystem, and click Confirm. Now, there's two ways to go ahead and actually onboard from here. You can either scan the QR code with your daily driver to download that Acurast Lite app, and depending on if you're on Apple or Android, it'll go ahead and pop up the store and you can download it. Or if you factory reset your Android phone, this only works on Android, factory reset it, and you scan the QR code at the original boot screen, it will go ahead and actually pull your device into that Acurast core platform, which is entirely dedicated. That's what I do. It's so much more reliable. If you guys want a step-by-step video on that, like, hey, I need someone to hold my hand going through that, don't worry, I got you. I did a previous video 10 months ago back in April showing this step by step. I'll put all of these links, all these steps directly down below in the video description to help you guys out. All right, so I want to give you guys a quick little tour of my Acurast Core cell phone. So this is actually a Samsung S22. It's nothing special. It's a phone that I've had around for a while. I've actually bought several years ago and decided to finally upgrade it not too long ago, and I put it to work on Acurast. So I'm just going to go through everything you see on here. So you can't actually like swipe up or swipe down to get into like the traditional Android platform. You know, there's no way. I mean, your buttons really just turn off the screen and turn it back on. It's fully dedicated and locked into Acurast, which is actually really, really nice. So I literally just have this plugged into a traditional USB-C, nothing crazy, and off we go. And I actually have had this case on it too, and some people may say, hey, don't run it with the case or anything. I've been running it for 10 months. I don't have any battery bulging or anything like that. So taking a look here, we do have, as I talked about 1,600 of that CACU token. This is the testnet token. Sorry, I got to keep pressing the button. The screen goes off. Under manager, that's tied to my address there. Underneath of that, you can see the compute status is green and says active, as well as it says attested, which is really, really nice. Now, that's all you can really do within here. I can click the gear in the upper corner there, and you can manage what Wi-Fi network you're connected to. It has all your version info. You can clear cache or restart the device, or you can wipe the device. So let's say you try this out and you're like, okay, now I need that phone. You can hit wipe data and it will go ahead and wipe everything back to factory, which is really, really nice. Here's that dim screen timeout. So I'm going to pick that. There it is. Great. I'm going to pick that. I should have known better and set that to 1 minute. Look at that. That was not 1 minute. So it has your addresser processor there. And then it does have some of the information directly down below here if you're interested for Android. But that's it. Simple and easy. There's not much to it. A lot of people actually have massive phone farms out there running Acurast Core on it. Something that I'm interested in doing. I got to fix it first, but I'm actually going to be I have a cell hasher. If you're not familiar, cell hasher is a cell phone, almost server chassis built just for cell phones. And it has the cell phone stripped down and it comes with 20 cell phones total. So if you're interested in doing this and you want to go bigger, you can go ahead and buy out of the box a cell hasher that has slots for 20 cell phones. And there are some packages with cell phones, some without. But the nice thing is it has a management software to manage all of these at once so that you don't need to go to each individual phone. But if that's something that you're interested in, check out my cell hasher video directly down below. I got mine set up. I did have an issue, so I do have to go ahead and fix it. That was on my fault. Plugged it into the wrong outlet, and I do have to go ahead and swap out the motherboard. That's on me. But that being said, once I get that back up, I'm going to be putting all of those 20 phones directly on Acurast Core. So is this going to make you filthy rich? I have no idea. I guess we'll have to see kind of how everything goes with Mainnet on January 20th, which should be tomorrow or right around the corner, I guess, based off of when you actually watch this. We'll have to see how Mainnet goes and how the market does. However, I'd rather have my old cell phones on Acurast being repurposed for a massive compute network than powered off sitting in a dusty drawer. All right, guys, I'm going to leave links to everything I talked about directly down below in the video description to make it as easy as possible for you guys to go ahead and onboard your devices. Good luck and have fun.